The world of cryptocurrency is abuzz with excitement. A new player has entered the arena, and its name is PiNetwork. With a recent Mainnet launch, PiNetwork has transitioned from a promising project to a tangible reality. This milestone marks a significant step forward in the evolution of decentralized finance. PiNetwork has captured the attention of millions worldwide. Its unique approach to cryptocurrency mining has resonated with individuals seeking accessibility and innovation. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies that require significant computational power, PiNetwork enables users to mine coins using their mobile devices. This innovative approach has democratized access to the world of cryptocurrency. It has empowered individuals from all walks of life to participate in this exciting new frontier of finance. With its user-friendly interface and mobile-first design, PiNetwork is breaking down barriers and fostering financial inclusion on a global scale. The launch of PiNetwork's Mainnet is a testament to the project's commitment to delivering on its promises. It marks the culmination of years of hard work, dedication, and a steadfast belief in the power of decentralization. As the PiNetwork ecosystem continues to grow and evolve, it holds the potential to revolutionize the way we think about and interact with money. PiNetwork stands out in the crowded cryptocurrency space. Its approach is refreshingly different, focusing on accessibility and inclusivity. Unlike Bitcoin's energy-intensive mining process, PiNetwork offers a more sustainable and equitable alternative. The beauty of PiNetwork lies in its simplicity. Users can mine coins using their smartphones. This eliminates the need for expensive hardware and technical expertise, making cryptocurrency accessible to the masses. The mobile-first design ensures ease of use, allowing anyone with a smartphone to participate in the PiNetwork ecosystem. PiNetwork's consensus mechanism, known as the security circle, leverages social trust to secure the network. Users vouch for each other's trustworthiness, creating a web of interconnected nodes that validate transactions and prevent fraud. This novel approach not only enhances security but also fosters a strong sense of community among PiNetwork users. The team behind PiNetwork envisions a world where cryptocurrency is accessible to everyone. They believe that financial empowerment should not be limited by geographical location, socioeconomic status, or technical know-how. By making cryptocurrency mining accessible to anyone with a smartphone, PiNetwork is paving the way for a more inclusive and equitable financial future. Decentralization is at the heart of the cryptocurrency revolution. It represents a fundamental shift in power, moving away from centralized institutions and towards a more distributed and democratic system. PiNetwork embraces this ethos, empowering individuals and fostering a sense of community ownership. In traditional financial systems, power is concentrated in the hands of a few. Banks, governments, and other centralized entities control the flow of money, often at the expense of the individual. Decentralized systems like PiNetwork aim to level the playing field, giving individuals more control over their finances. By distributing power among its users, PiNetwork creates a more resilient and democratic system. No single entity can control the network, making it resistant to censorship and manipulation. This decentralized approach fosters transparency, accountability, and trust among its users. Decentralization is not just a technological concept, it's a philosophical one. It's about empowering the individual, fostering community, and creating a more equitable and just financial system. PiNetwork, with its focus on accessibility and inclusivity, embodies these principles, paving the way for a future where financial power is truly in the hands of the people. The cryptocurrency community eagerly awaited the launch of PiNetwork's Mainnet. This highly anticipated event marked a pivotal moment in the project's journey, signaling its transition from a testing phase to a fully operational network. The Mainnet launch brought with it a wave of excitement and anticipation. During the testnet phase, PiNetwork users had the opportunity to familiarize themselves with the platform, mine Pi coins, and provide valuable feedback to the development team. The Mainnet launch represented the culmination of this collaborative effort, a testament to the dedication and hard work of both the team and the community. The Mainnet launch opened up new possibilities for PiNetwork and its users. It enabled the activation of smart contracts, paving the way for the development of decentralized applications, dApps, on the PiNetwork blockchain. This opened up a world of possibilities, from decentralized marketplaces to innovative financial instruments. The anticipation surrounding the Mainnet launch was palpable. Social media platforms were abuzz with discussions, predictions, and expressions of excitement. The PiNetwork community, united by a shared belief in the project's vision, eagerly awaited the opportunity to participate in this new chapter of the PiNetwork story. Section 5. The value of community. Community is the lifeblood of any successful cryptocurrency project. PiNetwork has fostered a vibrant and engaged community from the very beginning. This strong community drives PiNetwork's growth and adoption. Encompassing millions of users globally, PiNetwork's community is united by a shared vision. It's a movement, a testament to collective action for a better future. The community actively shapes the project's direction and spreads awareness. PiNetwork fosters engagement through forums, meetups, and hackathons. This strong sense of community sets PiNetwork apart. Section 6. Binance, a gateway to the crypto world. Binance stands as a titan in the cryptocurrency exchange landscape. Its vast user base, extensive trading pairs, and robust infrastructure have made it a go-to platform for both seasoned traders and newcomers alike. A listing on Binance can be a game-changer for any cryptocurrency, providing it with unparalleled exposure and liquidity. For many cryptocurrency enthusiasts, Binance is the first point of entry into the world of digital assets. Its user-friendly interface, multilingual support, and extensive educational resources make it an ideal platform for those looking to dip their toes into the crypto waters. Binance has earned a reputation for its stringent listing criteria, selecting projects that demonstrate strong fundamentals, a committed team, and a viable roadmap. A listing on Binance is often seen as a stamp of approval, signaling to the wider market that a project has been vetted and deemed worthy of attention. The potential impact of a Binance listing on a cryptocurrency's price cannot be overstated. A Binance listing can lead to a surge in trading volume, increased liquidity, and heightened media attention. This, in turn, can attract new investors and drive up demand, resulting in significant price appreciation. Section 7. The potential impact of a Binance listing. The PiNetwork community has been abuzz with speculation about a potential listing on Binance. Such a listing could be a watershed moment for PiNetwork, propelling it into the mainstream and potentially leading to a significant surge in its price. The ##ListPi on Binance now has gained significant traction on social media, reflecting the community's fervent desire to see PiNetwork listed on the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange. This grassroots movement highlights the passion and enthusiasm that surrounds the project. A Binance listing would provide PiNetwork with access to a vast pool of liquidity and a global user base. This increased exposure could attract institutional investors and further legitimize PiNetwork in the eyes of the wider cryptocurrency market. While a Binance listing is not a guarantee of success, it would undoubtedly be a major catalyst for PiNetwork's growth. It would open up new avenues for adoption, increase the token's utility, and potentially lead to significant price appreciation, rewarding early adopters and believers in the project's vision. Section 8. PiNetwork's future, a world of possibilities. PiNetwork stands at the cusp of a new era, filled with possibilities. With its mainnet launched and a vibrant community, PiNetwork aims to revolutionize money. The team has an ambitious roadmap, focusing on expanding the ecosystem and developing new features. Key areas include developing decentralized applications, or dApps, on its blockchain. These dApps could revolutionize industries like finance, healthcare, and education. PiNetwork is exploring partnerships to integrate PI into existing ecosystems. This includes accepting Pi as payment and using its technology to enhance security. The future of PiNetwork is bright, driven by a passionate community and a vision of a decentralized future. PiNetwork aims to empower individuals, transform industries, and shape the future of finance. Section 9. Conclusion: a new era of decentralization. PiNetwork's journey is a testament to the transformative power of blockchain technology and the unwavering belief in a decentralized future. From its humble beginnings as a mobile mining app, PiNetwork has evolved into a thriving ecosystem with the potential to reshape the financial landscape. The launch of PiNetwork's Mainnet marked a pivotal moment, signaling its readiness to embrace the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. With its unique approach to mining, its vibrant community, and its ambitious roadmap, PiNetwork has captured the attention of millions worldwide. The potential impact of a Binance listing on PiNetwork's trajectory cannot be overstated. Such a listing would provide PiNetwork with unparalleled exposure, liquidity, and credibility, propelling it into the mainstream and potentially leading to significant price appreciation. As we stand at the cusp of a new era of decentralization, PiNetwork stands as a beacon of innovation, inclusivity, and empowerment. The journey has just begun, and the future holds limitless possibilities for PiNetwork and its ever-growing community.